Okay, for the first grader song, Rain, Rain, Go Away, I drew 3 rectangles and I labeled them with the notes that I'm going to be playing, okay, to basically look like these bells here, okay? And on the video, on YouTube, on the screen, you'll see these notes popping up in the order that they're played. So you could do this at home where you just draw this out. It makes great for practice. Okay. Now I'm going to alternate between playing the actual resonator bells and playing off of this paper here, just to show you that you can practice this. Now at home, you don't have to have a fancy mallet. I mean, a pencil or a pen or even a finger would do. Okay, because you could certainly do that. You know, G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Okay. And each time you play it, it goes through it twice, and then you sing it twice, and then it goes back to playing it twice. Okay, let's try it along with the music. And I will alternate between playing what I drew here and playing the actual resonator bells. Okay, let's start the music. Be done here. And then this part is sung. Each time you play it twice.